Hello, welcome to Sublip Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a chicken with green mustard and I will show you how to make it. So here all our ingredients we have. I have two chicken hand, it's 3 pound, and I have 1 pound green mustard and half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon chicken flavor mix and 3 slices galongal and garlic, like just like 2 pieces garlic and 2 pieces lemongrass, 2 chili and coffee lime leaves, like 5 pieces. First, I'm gonna cook the chicken. Okay, now my water is boiling, but before I cook the chicken, I just wait this one first and rinse it out. Okay, now I have to wait about 10 minutes. So I have 2 pots. Now I gonna wait for the chicken boil about 10 minutes and then I rinse it out this chicken. But now I'm gonna start add all my ingredients I have. Salt and lemongrass, chili, chicken flavor mix, and galongal, coffee lime leaf, garlic, okay. Now I'm gonna rinse the water out. Let okay. I clean this out. Clean. Okay. Now I'm gonna cook the chicken. Then I'm gonna cook 30 minutes. Okay. Here. I'm gonna wait for the chicken. Chicken almost cook it. It's just like 2 minutes left. And then I'm gonna cook the vegetable. I can cook vegetable, okay. But I have to wait a little bit cold and I just take a small piece. And now I wait for my vegetable here. Maybe take about 5 minutes. Okay, now my chicken mustard is very for it, and my husband gonna show you how to eat it. Like when we eat, we gonna put the sauce on the vegetable and chicken. Okay, he eating. We have a small kitchen, a little bit hard to sit down. This is all our food for lunch today. You can eat by hand or chopstick, either one. All right. Now, just for today, all the food, just chicken and vegetable.